Hello students, welcome to the class 5th mathematics. Yesterday we studied about the common multiples. Now today we will study about the LCM. Here in LCM we have three words are there. One is L, another is C, another is M. What does the L stand for? L stands for least. Least means smallest. Now C stands for common and M stands for multiples. So well students, how we can find out the least common multiple means the multiple which is common and is smallest one. So let us take an example 4 and 6. We have to find out the least common multiple of 4 and 6. So in the LCM what we have to find first? Multiple. So we will find out the multiple of 4 first. Which are the multiple of first? Multiples of 4: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. And which are the multiple of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Now after that, after finding the multiples, what we have to find out? Next word is C, that is common multiples. So just find out which one are the common multiples here. 12, 12, both are common in 4 and 6. Next common is 24, 24, right? And next is 32, 36, sorry, 36 and 36. We remember that you must find out at least two common multiples. Here I have three common multiples are there, but you have no need to find out more than two common multiples. It is more than sufficient that if you find out at least two common multiples. So common multiples are there. One is the 12 is the common. Next common multiple is 24. Next common multiple is 36. Now last word is L, means least. Least common multiple, that you can say LCM. So which is the least common multiples among these three? Smallest one is the 12. So 12 is the least common multiple. So how we can find out the least common multiples? Let us have another example by doing the activity based upon the LCM. So here I have written numbers up to 54. Well students, you will write the number up to 100, and by this activity we can easily find out the LCM. Let us take an example, that is I will take the example 6 and 8. I have to find out the LCM of 6 and 8. So what will be the LCM of 6 and 8? How can find out it? You can do this work activity by taking the bindi that's usually at your home. So I have two sketch pens of different colors is there. So what I have to write first? Write down the multiple of 6. What's the multiple of 6? 6 1 are the 6. So 6 1 are the 6. I will put 6. Next is 6 2 are the 12. Where is 12 in the table? 12. 6 3 are the 18. 6 3 are the 18. 6 4 are the 24. 6 5 are the 30. 6 6 are the 36. Where is 36? Here is 36. 6 7 are the 42. Here is 42. 6 8 are the 48. 6 9 are the 54. Now take another color. That's I'm taking another color, that is green color is there. Now write the multiples of 8. The multiples of 8, 8 1 are the 8. Where is 8? Here is 8. 8 2 are the 16. 8 2 are the 16. 8 3 are the 24. Where is 24? Here. Already this is the 24. Or 8 4 are the 32. 8 5 are the 40. Where is 40? 8 6 are the 48. Right? 8 7 are the 56. I have written only 50 up to 54. So now look at the tables. Here only red color is there, green color is there, red, green, green. Here 24. It is the, where two colors are there, that is one green is, one other is red. That means it is the common, right? And the next one is, where is two colors in the same box? Here in 48, right? So these are the common multiples of 6 and 8. So that means in here we have the common multiples are 24, another is 48, and therefore you can say LCM. What is LCM? Between these two, 24 and 48, which one is the smaller one? 24. So LCM will be 24. So students, you can find out the LCM very easily. Now you can practice the worksheet, and it is more you can understand it very much.